all of my buying to kind of relate it to subs, so I know.
See, yes.
All right, is this worth 2 foot long subs? If it's not, yeah. Morning. The game of meme. Munchkin Deluxe.
Oh, that'd be good for Grandma.
We used to use that cart a lot at the beach when we used to have a lot of gear, and it was great.
Yeah, that would be good for that. Hmm.
And more.
Nothing. Bummer. I wonder if we'll ever find
25. Just what you need is some knives.
There are all different sports in there. Kelton, what do you have in there for
I mean, it's 25 cents.
There's this
I don't mind if I do.
basketball, the whole box.
There you go, Anna. Batman.
Oh yeah, it was dark.
I just saw something.
Wait, that's quarter.
Okay.
Chloe Quest. What do I owe you?
$7?
All right.
Can I look at this real quick? Thanks.
Wait, that a quarter? Look how it's so cute.
Oh, perfect. Thank you so
You
much.
have a great rest
Good
of
luck
the day.
with your dog.
Cool. Thank you.
Bye.
Come here.
You from Maine?
I am.
Are you?
Yeah. How did you know?
Well, I used to have a place in Bar Harbor,
Uh-huh.
$5 bucks.
and we also built a living place in Scottsboro.
But I can't
Oh,
find.
okay. Yeah.
Is this a
Yeah.
quarter? No.
That's a
I
nickel.
love it there.
Why? What are you buying? This is $25.
Certain times of year, right?
Yes.
Dollars.
There's 3 months.
That would have been a great deal if it was a quarter.
Dang it.
Art of the X-Files.
We got the car 5.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
That would have been a deal though, Anna.
Oh, yeah, I know, right?
She was trying to find a quarter. She's like, it's only a quarter.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know you were ready. So then,
CDs.
Dead or alive?
Dad.
Nucleopatra. Nucleopatra.
1, 2, 3,
thank you so much.
4.
You guys had a lot of traffic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably because she's got the biggest yard sale, and so we get a lot of.
Yeah, I haven't been over there yet. I think I'm gonna take that for
Okay.
$5.
That's a neat little device. You can either hook it up to your network. Like I
Yeah,
used it.
It seems cool. Does that storage, or you just have to attach like a hard drive to
Right,
it?
yeah. This little cover comes off, and
Okay.
if you've got one of the Seagate
Yeah.
drives, it slots right into
Okay,
it.
that's what I. Hello. Really? How are you doing this morning?
Not too bad. How about yourself?
Pretty good.
Did you few sales this morning?
Yeah, a couple. Yeah. Yeah, we've had a few good ones, a few bad ones.
No, all bad ones. All bad ones?
Not a lot of toys.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, I don't have
She's on the hunt for toys.
I don't have any. What? You have any Squishmallows?
It's a toy. Squishmallow, she's saying.
I'm sorry.
It's a plush.
I have no kids.
Yeah.
I don't know what those are.
I told her, yeah. She's got to ask kids. Yeah, I kind of figured I was too late for your Ray Dunn, huh?
Oh, yeah. Those were actually the first thing to go.
Yeah, I was like, oh, I should go look and see if she still has them, but I didn't think you would.
Yeah, those very popular still.
You have a GoPro?
Yeah. That one, I guess, yeah, all kinds of random.
Just accessories. Do you still have the camera or no?
No, I don't have the camera anymore. It was for a Hero 4, so I think any of those boxes fit that
Yeah, yeah.
that era.
It's like they're specific, yeah.
But yeah, lots of. I think the
Nemo
bottom
Studio,
mount-
are these lights or?
Yeah, it's like a light kit. It's got like an umbrella
Okay.
to kind of diffuse the light.
That's neat.
I like those plates.
They are cute.
It has a Hey Dale on there.
Yeah. The cat.
And it has her as a Santa.
Zombie dice. I have this.
That's a fun game.
It is a fun game, yeah. Yeah. Joy. That's your middle name.
Oh.
Supreme Leader Kylo Ren.
Yeah, bobbles.
That's cool. How much is that?
$5?
Probably get it. It's cool. Oh, that's cool too. She's been buying a lot of Baby Yoda stuff
yeah.
today.
Oh, yeah.
Or what is his name? Grogu?
Grogu, yeah. $2 for him.
Here's fine. That's a toy. See,
Yeah, I
you got a
guess
toy.
that's technically a toy.
Yeah.
I can play it. It should sit on your shelf.
Are you gonna get it, Anna? How much is your wine chiller?
$5.
Same price as a foot-long sub from Subway.
That's all right. It'll last you longer.
See if I can find anything else. So I have to keep handing you money. Anna, did you see this? She has lots of toys.
I guess, you know what? I guess
Despicable
I do
Me.
have toys.
Yeah.
Except, like, because they're all, like, my things, I'm like...
You don't feel like
these
they're
are adult
toys.
things.
These are adult things. These aren't my toys.
What do you mean? I don't play with toys.
I think you might. You're gonna get it, Anna? Marc Jacobs, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Fancy.
Put this with your stuff.
Yeah, my stuff's right over there. Some Toms. These are beat. Okay. And then I'll proceed to forget it all and just leave without it. These are cool boots. How much are your boots?
Those $10.
That's 2 foot-long subs. I don't know. I do.
Feet, so
Yeah.
2 foot long.
Yeah. I do all of my buying to kind of relate it to subs, so I know.
See, yes.
All right, is this worth 2 foot-long subs? If it's not,
It's a
yeah.
very practical way to think
Yeah.
about things.
I should
Oh, so you
switch
put a
my
whole
ring.
GoPro backpack
That's what I
on.
was saying. If you had more GoPro, I like GoPros and all that stuff.
Ring.
Holy
That's
cow,
this
that's
one for
crazy.
that.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like you have it
It's-
perched on your finger.
Does it go? It looks a little big for you though.
Oh, yeah, no.
Try your middle finger. Kinda. Kinda. You almost have adult-sized fingers.
It doesn't fit on my thumb.
Guess. I think I'm gonna get the boots.
Okay.
Not for me, but
I'll put them in the page
For
pile.
your son that...
for my son.
What's this?
That is, let me see. Classic metal discs.
What?
Oh, they're more like
Mm.
for planners.
What's a planner?
What's
Yeah.
a plan?
Like Happy Planner, they like snap on so you can like rearrange the pages in different orders without like.
Ah, okay. Yeah. Planner. I thought you said planter.
Oh yeah, planner.
Yeah. Gary Larson.
Imagine sending this envelope to someone.
S'mores melting tray, Anna.
I like s'mores.
And then you got a giant cupcake holder. That's kind of cool.
Where's melting tray? You know what? I would try that one day.
You like to eat s'mores.
I know. Who doesn't?
This is empty. Had to open it anyways.
That an empty case for Bill Peck.
Did you actually make a cake like this?
Yeah, I used the
You made like a whole village?
yeah, I used the spice cake
Yeah.
box, and I made the whole village, and then I took like a sifter and sprinkled powdered sugar over it, so it was like snow.
That's pretty cool. That could be fun. How much are these?
$5 each.
$5 each, so foot long. It's like a meatball sub and a cheesesteak. I don't like cold subs. I get them hot.
Yeah, I like the meatball sub a lot.
Yeah.
These are like, I think they're like $40 when they're new.
Yeah, 40 each.
How much is this?
Pretty good deal.
$5.
It's 1 foot long sub.
What? Oh,
Ham and cheese, I think you'd probably go
I'll
with.
give you that to you for $3.
That's less than a foot long sub.
Less than a foot long sub.
I don't know what that is.
I don't think she's ever even been to Subway.
What?
These references make no sense to her. Here, $10.
Okay.
I'll take both those.
This is your reference and she's never been.
No, we don't actually go to Subway. It's just, you know,
You just refer to
I just refer to Subway because it's the price of food. And really, I'm sacrificing food for these items, really.
How?
Well, you gotta spend your money on something, either food or things to make really cool looking food.
Yeah, those are so fun.
I'm pretty excited about that.
Yeah, you gotta like make sure you you know, spray them so that it doesn't stick.
I feel like it'd be hard to,
your roof in there.
yeah.
But as long as you like, you know,
Well, then it can just be like
you can always glue
devastated.
it back together with the icing too.
True, yeah.
I'm
Okay, you want that?
I'm gonna take a couple trips, I think.
I got this.
I'll be back for that last thing. I won't tell my wife, but how much did you sell your Ray Dunn for?
$50.
Yeah, she would have bought it. She would have made me buy it for sure. Okay, cool.
Oh, that's
She did, yeah.
that today?
Yeah. Yeah, she's collecting Star Wars stuff today.
Well, hey, you were looking at something else over there.
What was I looking at? I don't know. Oh, I was looking at your Marc Jacobs shoes. That's right. Yeah.
It was. Do you want
Yeah.
this?
How much? I don't want to pay a whole foot long for them is my problem.
Why don't you just take them? You're a good customer.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you. All right. Good luck with the rest of your sale. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me to those yard sales. Definitely had a good time and made a lot of really stupid jokes about Subway for some reason, not sponsored. Yeah, I got some good items and she randomly decided to give me some shoes that seemed pretty pricey at the end. I'm not a shoe pro, so I kind of looked at the comps and kind of sort of guessed. So let me know in the comments if my price is way too high on those Marc Jacobs shoes. Also, my wife's convinced the lady had a crush on me. Let me know what you think about that in the comments too. Also, if you want to see a cool video where I found a unique old camera, check out this video next. It's worth more than you might think.